Welcome to Chart Factory for JIRA. This add-on empowers you to create a whole new range of customizable, insightful and reusable charts. Easily publish your gadgets to the JIRA dashboards. And now, let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Select your data source. Start by choosing your data source. Chart Factory allows you to work with existing JIRA filters or create a new filter directly within the plugin. Switch between basic search and JQL search to fine-tune your criteria. Once your data is ready, simply click the Generate button to move forward. Step 2. Pick a chart template. Choose from our library of design templates that cover a wide range of use cases. Need something unique? Don't worry, other tutorials will guide you on how to create and save your own custom templates. Select a template that fits your data and proceed to the next step. Step 3. Customize and preview your chart. Customize your chart's type, dimensions, and calculation functions. Watch your changes come to life in real-time preview mode to ensure everything looks perfect before publishing. Step 4. Publish to your JIRA dashboard. In just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly publish your finalized chart directly to your JIRA dashboard. Your data will be instantly transformed into a clear, visual format, making it accessible and ready for your entire team to use. Streamline collaboration and keep everyone aligned by sharing valuable insights exactly where your team operates. Furthermore, end users can easily add Chart Factory gadgets to their dashboards. Simply edit your JIRA dashboard, select the Chart Factory gadget, and configure the settings to match your needs. It's intuitive and takes only seconds to set up. With Chart Factory for JIRA, creating clear, insightful, and professional charts for your JIRA dashboards has never been easier. With Chart Factory for JIRA, simplify insights, amplify impact.